49. Let's go for better stuff. Let's buy these hats. Yeah, yup. Zygoid has to build a wall. So 1 minute, guys. Guys, Zygoid is not building the droppers. I don't know why. BVN is gone out. Let him come back in. Yes, guys. So let's start. We go like this. Here is to collect the blocks. You can collect the blocks.
What should we do for the workers?
Workers, you have to work, of course.
Anyway, how much?
1 minute. Dropper. Let me get some rope. No, guys, I have 72. Zygoid, can you get a new dropper which is for 120 blocks? Can you please get it?
Oh.
Go and stand in that. That's all.
Yeah. How do I see my?
I got a pack of sunglasses. That's enough. I think I'll right click so there will be too much and then best no, not too much. Guys, 15 Robux. Hey, Zygoid, can you please buy the next one also for 120 Robux blocks? It's easy, you have 69 already. Guys, I am the fighter over here, so I am buying all the equipment which is needed for them. I am distributing everything to them very nicely. And Zygoid is also very good, and BVN also is very good. They are building me the house for me, and I am helping them live long life. Okay, guys, 1 minute, guys. Zygoid, can you please build a house? Zygoid, just keep on. Zygoid, just don't worry. Keep on building this house. I'll come in a minute. Yes, guys, today I'm going to show you a new thing. Let's start.
Yeah, but how much money do I have?
I know.
And this is so hard to buy the plan machine.
But this is really tough.
Yeah, especially because of the lash.
If he's my friend, let him collect, and I'll be waiting for him to collect it. My job is to just wait so that.
We can be lagging so much.
I am the main person here, guys, because I'm the fighter and helping them, and I'm getting their weapons.
Yeah, no. You're not the first one to do any work.
But actually, let's wait. Let's go get my. Zygoid is the second best, and BVN is the third best because BVN is the green color.
I have to find a droppers and all, okay?
Yes, I know that. Droppers is very good for me. That's why you are the second best. I'm the fighter, which is the third best because I get you better good stuff.
Alright.
Guys, first I always start with things like this crystal art for 100 bucks, and I literally don't like to waste so much stuff. Let's buy an outfit. Let's get some outfit. Guys, let's buy an outfit. I got an outfit for both of them, which is so good. You will get literally very little damage. Zygoid, please go get your costumes.
How to get that?
Go and stand on them.
I got it already.
Show me.
I got one.
It's a good job. These people are very good. Anyone?
Oh my god, man. I'm so
Zygoid, can you please? Okay, can you please change the color of the droppers? Who's that? Man, I hate it. Enemy attack. I am the user. Oh no! She has a mega sword which is so damn dangerous. I can bully her. I need 500, stupid joker. I think yes. I need 5.
I think I have to get all of the dropper thing and all.
I'm gonna just press this so that there's more money.
Can you tell me how? I don't know how much money I have. Hello?
Yes, I wait.
Yeah, how much money do I have?
You have 244.
Okay, now I should have like 300 or something.
Yes, you have 400.
I'm 400 after it just like drop at 450.
Okay, I have 479.
Oh, it does show you cash.
Oh no, attack! Under attack we are.
I have 473.
I bury my protects. I bury my protects. Man, I don't know what happened. That's stupid! Zygrate protect! Zygrate, can you please go and get your protect for 500 blocks so that I can get my protect?
Which one?
Protect! The outside one for 500. Buy it! Just don't look anything and just buy it out. Because I need some things. Yeah, I got it. Thanking God. Thank God I got it. Yes, guys, I have 266 money. Let's wait for.
I got the flash dropper. Did you see?
Yes, good job.
Dang it, good job, because I was doing so bad. Yeah. The game is so laggy, by the way.
But then it's the best game actually, guys. Three player titles. It's very fun.
Best game, best laggy.
Let's go. Go.
So costly.
Once, guys. Let's let me just get my droppers. Yeah, got 500. Let me go buy my protects. Yeah, I bought my protects. Damn it, guys. Thank God I bought my protects, guys. My protect actually protects me. Guys, for 15. Let's go. Buy my gas. Buy parrot pet. I don't need a parrot pet, guys. Let's buy a gas stand, buy medikit, and buy silver sword. Let me go for a silver sword, and then let me go for a medikit. Whoever wants it, please get it. And you want, I can give you medikit. Anyone can get healed. Good job, Zygrate. Holy dropper, yay! Guys, my friend Zygrate got the holy dropper. How will I come back to the last, guys? Let Guys, if you go sit on the chair, you'll get a parrot. Guys, I think after now I don't have any work, guys, because after this wait, I don't have any work. Waiting too much. Hey, intruder alert! Intruder alert! Intruder alert! Intruder alert! Intruder alert! Intruder alert!
You can only see our screen.
kill this game on me. I have to kill this game on me.
Apple tree.
Shit, guys, game on me.
Long decoration. Yes.
Guys, I'm actually literally very far from our house. I don't know how to go there.
Oh,
Guys, this is a very, very nice joke. I literally don't know where my house is.
I can't see my pocket.
Oh shit, guys, this is the horriblest thing I have done. Nothing. What happened, Vivian? Oh no. Hey, that gamer girl is killing me.
Okay, I'm buying my power drop of now. And I'm just upgrading
Hey, who bought the stupid second floor? I can't get into my house now.
Why? You're at 3,600 cash.
Only 3,300, dude. I have.
So much cash. So much cash.
I knew that though. I would get cash. Hat stand? I literally hate hat stand. I need a gear stand, bro. Dark hurt.
Why the outfit stand?
I don't know money.
Okay.
No. 1.5k? I'm not paying literally 1.5k for that thingy.
Rip gamer. So costly.
Bro, for me everything costly is there, okay? Hat stand, I'm buying headphones for you. Come and take it if you want. Oh my god, bro, I got a bomb. This is a very nice bomb. I know how does it work. Bro, Vivian, go. Oh! It killed Boober. It literally killed Boober. Boober, come down. Come up. Bro, step. I killed myself. That's so bad. Bro, I killed myself and then I killed you both. Oh my god, bro, I don't know how this thing happened. I have 5k. Suddenly.